cats, creepy crawlies all climb over me. There are even some creatures that simply don't exist. I try to save and protect them with a good night kiss. My heart racing as all of them need to be free. So I open windows